It's a crisp, no degrees.
8.
8?
Yeah. How's it going? What's your cat drag here? Usually the dog drags me and I'm fat.
Towbie, BSF recoveries, our vehicle, we had last time they were here. So, knowing this was going to be a shop day today, we decided to drop in and install those for him. And yeah, make a day of it, help out with some projects in the shop. Keep watching.
This is Rachel. Hi, Rachel. Nice to meet you.
It's her too.
It's Rachel too. Rachel. Okay. And then Troy and Sean. Nice to meet you guys.
The first thing we've got to do is take off this fender. We've got to pull all these pop rivets out. We'll get the tires taken off, and that'll give us more room in the inner fender liner. I think you're kneeling on it.
You know, I don't have a real tratty jack, so
Yep.
I'm going to screw together a couple blocks of wood so we have a flat
There you go.
platform under the case, and then just got to balance it on there. Pull it out. There you go. We don't have a real floor training jack, so we got to figure out how we're going to be able to support this transfer case as we lower it out of here. Maybe even put another one there.
Where'd my wife go? Rach, you want to come supervise? Make sure I don't have this. The T50 Torx bit, in order to melt the Loctite on the inside, you want to make sure to hold this right on the bolt head. So she won't go right away. Oh, she comes. The biggest thing is to let the torch do the work so you don't snap a head.
Well, that ain't going to work. I think that'll work good. I can take some bolts out. There's one. 5 more to go. Well, we got to see why it's leaking between the transmission and the transfer case. Pouring out fluid almost as fast as we can put it in. We're at an event in the middle of doing recoveries, so we just got under here and tightened up some bolts and let it go. Now it's to the point to where we can't keep enough fluid in the tranny. Hopefully we can get that high.
Might get another 2x4 on the bottom.
We might.
At least the wrecker sits high enough to jack under it.
Yeah.
Drilled to death, it came with the clips already in it.
Yeah, that should work. Okay, hold it. All right, now let's see.
I was trying to wiggle backwards.
Yep. Let's try and wiggle it backwards a little bit. Okay. One more. One more. You okay?
Yep, I'm good.
All right.
It's out.
Yeah, as soon as it came off of the shaft,
Yep.
there was a little too much upward pressure on it. I should have put a strap around it. But
We didn't damage the shaft, so that's good.
yeah. All right, well,
It's out.
it is out.
There should be no reason why it doesn't come out this time.
There she goes.
On the back side of here, where you can't see on the inside of the door, there's a plate with 2 bolt holes. You don't want to pull both of them out and let the plate drop without somebody holding the door to make sure the door stays aligned. You're going to loosen all 4, have somebody hold it while you back these out, and then drop the new ones in.
Yeah. Time for some cleaning. Throw it on the floor, sweep the floor. I mean, you could put it over by the floor drain too and pressure wash it.
Sometimes you can't even tell it's dirt until you hit it and you're like, oh, that's a clump of dirt.
Yep. There's a good job for Abby. Clean all that up. There's a smaller brush too if you want.
Okay.
There we go. On to the top ones. I've seen a lot of people want to use the breaker bar, and it can and does work. The issue with that is it's like 50-50 whether or not you're going to break the head of the actual torque spit off inside the bolt.
Got all 4 loose? Yep. And no paint burnt on the hinges, just the bolts.
That's cool.
Is this your handle? Yeah, this is our handle here.
Oh, this is way easier.
I know.
I wish you would tuck on my
you go,
handle
Blake.
like that. There's everything about this is inappropriate.
Not appropriate for you two.
I'm trying to replace my steering stabilizer, but I rounded off the bolt trying to get it out of I have the Synergy relocation kit, and I rounded it.
Find one of these that's just slightly bigger that you have to pound in there with a hammer.
Yeah.
You have to actually literally drive it in with a hammer.
All right. Give me a zhuzh. Yeah.
A little zhuzh or a big zhuzh?
That is awesome. Grab the impact on here. Nope. Eric's is better. Oh, that's a good.
Hey!
Eric's a genius.
Tricks of the trade.
Is this where I need to hold?
This is where I need somebody to hold the door.
So what happens if you just leave the door closed? It doesn't stay aligned?
No, because it will drop just that 1/4 inch and then your door's not aligned right.
Oh.
There's 2 ways to do this. You can use blue painter's tape the entire way around the door, make sure the door is clean, and stick it tight if you're doing this by yourself. Or you have somebody, what she's doing is she's leaning into that door hard. Most manufacturers use double-sided foam tape right here to keep that off the paint. We designed, and this is custom machined aluminum, so it'll never break down, never rust. Kind of like a tapered washer spacer, if you will. And we designed the step actually so you can hang the first 2 and hang the step on the top of these once you get them in here and started. So then once you get it started, if you look on the back side of here, they're large enough it'll sit up, drop down into here, because the bottom ones, you're not able to do that. So I shall hold right there. These guys will line up perfectly down there. And then you don't want to tighten them all down super tight until you're sure you're all home.
why I do this stuff, Chris.
Why do we?
I should have done this side first.
I was actually thinking. When I'm parked in the mud and I got to climb out of the cab and climb onto the box, you know, because I don't want to, you know, go knee deep into a mud puddle, that might not be a bad idea.
So close. After this, I just got to bolt it down, and then the world is all good.
I mean, that first step's a doozy.
Yeah, but she showed you, by God.
Yeah. There we go.
What are you counting to?
30.
What you got? Nope. This part sucks. Holding the damn door.
Oh yeah.
It's awful.
Good thing Rachel did the other one, huh?
Yeah, I'm very glad she did.
And Rachel made this look way easier.
The
little fingers.
A million times.
Those
That's
little
why I wanted to do this round.
little fingers in the help, man.
I'm just thinking of that one video, not as tight as mine.
Not as tight as mine. There you go.
There we go.
Look how much faster that was.
If you don't drop tools, yeah.
So, who did it better, Troy or Rachel?
There's
Let us
no-
know in the comments.
Thanks. We already know. Hey guys, Troy here, Titan Off-Road. Be sure to subscribe and check out more cool videos.
Okay,
Thank you,
This
sis.
is
Yep.
yours too.
that's mine. Yep.
She kicks ass.
Yep. Your ass.
Tell us, what kind of Jeep do you have? Incredible.
They're just mad because the record doesn't go properly. The brand new Jeep is like, help.
Steering stabilizer. Yay, upgrade.
Steering stabilizer.
Yes. OEM suck. Just saying.
Poor design.
Yeah. So now we put in the relocation kit, but I still, then it's turned wrong, so then this ends up being upside down and then they don't work.
There's a little notch in it that says it has to be up. We learned that the hard way.
This way, right?
I am putting LED lights into my Grand Cherokee that I just recently bought. Headlight Revolution, a company that started out in Bemidji, Minnesota. They not only sell stuff for Jeeps, they sell them for trucks and whatnot. They have a YouTube presence and they test the stuff that they sell, which is really nice. Stock headlights suck. LEDs make the world a lot brighter. This is what you need. LEDs. Light emitting diodes.
Thank you for coming. Okay, this is B footage.
Just don't tell Scout.
There we go.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Bingo, bango.
Oh yeah. That's a little brighter. Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm well pleased with that.
Hey guys, Troy and Rachel here again, taking off road. I installed this one in about 10 times it took the wife. We wanted to make sure to show you that how long it takes a normal human being to install a part, so we had her manage this in like 30 seconds. But we just wanted to show you guys one more time if you haven't seen it, our dual door hinge stem. So here it is on Towbie. We really appreciate everything the BSF team does for the off-road community. So it's really cool to get to install those on there. Yeah. Rachel's just whispering in my ear, do you want me to step up on those and show them how they work? Absolutely. I'll go get it with my roof. She's got a great piece here. So in that, you can see how high she gets up. Why we do this? Because every other step, our bottom one sits a little lower, but it's like right here where everyone else's is. And so your roof rack is above your waistline. You can't move forward.